Hey everybody! This is day 3 of our Disney stay at All-Star Sports Resort. And today it was raining. People coming through.
Come
on this way. So today we're going to talk about the things you can do at Disney if it rains out. Yesterday it was hot. Notice the sunburn? Notice the sunburn. So there's a lot of things you can do at Disney if it rains. One thing you guys have to know and remember about Florida is that it can rain for half an hour 5 times a day. So don't get discouraged, you know. You come on vacation, you gotta come kind of carefree and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, because it's a little wet here.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of rain. Nobody gets hurt. Like, for example, we're not gonna stay indoors today. We are out of here. We are going to Hollywood Studios.
Yay.
Yep, all 4 of us. One,
That was Jake before,
2,
but now there's
3.
not.
Me. That's 4. And you know what?
So that was
We don't let the rain ruin the fun.
that was
We are gonna have fun.
here on
There was a
the
big
floor.
puddle here. They had some poor draining issues earlier.
You see?
Couldn't find the drains. You know, that's okay. They figured it out. No more water over here.
Did you know that was a rainstorm?
Yep. That's, you know, don't give yourself
that was
discouragement
real
about
fun,
rainy
though.
days, especially in Florida. It
That
rained
was
and now it's a
fun, though.
cool 70. Like, you walk around with a nice cool breeze and it makes things kind of easier. You get less thirsty and you're just gonna have more fun.
Are you doing
enjoying it.
laundry before this?
And there's a giant
You have a laundry?
They have a laundry at the All-Star Sports Resort. It looked like a bar at first, but we found out it's a laundry. So we might do our laundry before we leave. I don't know yet. It's not included in the price of your stay. Probably quarters. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Actually, there's kind of rain,
But as you can see, heavy overcast. Pool's closed. Can't do much on the resort.
You can see the baseball over there.
And you go to the water parks, they're probably gonna be
Close.
semi-limited activities.
It's probably close.
So yeah, don't let the bad weather discourage you, especially your vacation. Nothing should stop the fun.